Today, I'll show you how to create navigation buttons in PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure you are using the latest version, because the newer Acrobat layout usually keeps form tools inside the All Tools panel. Now open the PDF where you want to add navigation buttons. Navigation buttons are clickable buttons that help readers move around the PDF. For example, you can create buttons for Next Page, Previous Page, Home, Back to Table of Contents, or Go to Last Page. Once your PDF is open, go to All Tools. Choose Prepare a Form. If Acrobat asks you to select a file, choose the current PDF and click Start. Now look at the Form toolbar and choose the Button field. Click and drag on the page where you want the navigation button to appear. For example, you can place a button at the bottom of the page and label it Next. After placing the button, double-click it to open button properties. Go to the General tab and give the button a clear name, like Next Page Button, then go to the Appearance tab. Here, you can change the border color, fill color, font size, and text color. Next, go to the Options tab. In the Label field, type the text that should appear on the button, such as Next Page, Previous Page, or Home. Now go to the Actions tab. For Select Trigger, choose Mouse Up. For Select Action, choose Execute a menu item if you want the button to move to the next or previous page. Then click Add and choose the menu command, such as View, then Page Navigation, then Next Page or Previous Page, depending on your Acrobat version. If you want the button to jump to a specific page, choose Go to a Page View instead. Click Add, move to the page you want the button to open, adjust the view, then click Set Link. This is useful for a Home button or a Table of Contents button. After setting the action, click Close. Now test the button. Exit Form Editing Mode, then click the button. Make sure it takes you to the correct page. If you need the same button on many pages, copy and paste it onto other pages. When everything works correctly, click File, then Save As, and save a new copy of the PDF. So, to keep it simple, open Prepare a Form, add a button field, style the button, set the action, test it, and save the PDF. And that's how you create navigation buttons in PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.